In November 30, 2022, OpenAI, the company that created ChatGPT, released for the first time ChatGPT, and since then, it has changed everything about the internet. So today I'm going to show you something so important. How anyone and everybody can literally create his or her own website using ChatGPT. One click, just by using a prompt. And you don't even need to know how to build any website. And the good thing is that we are going to be using Systeme.io, which simply means that we will not need to host our own website by ourselves. It's going to be hosted for us for free because Systeme.io allows us to host websites for free of charge. This one-click creation prompt that I'm going to be giving to you today, I'm going to walk you through every single step of it. You can either use ChatGPT or use Claude or use DeepSeek or any AI out there. All you need to do is to follow me right now, step by step. Let me walk you through every single aspect of the prompt and what you need to do to create your own one-click website that you can start selling your product and services. Like I said, we need a Systeme.io account and it's free. Click the link below, go and sign up for Systeme.io so that you can have your website and landing page. Then after you've signed up, go and copy the prompt that I want to walk you through right now. Let me show you how to go about using this prompt to create your own website. So if you see the prompt, I have some instruction here on how to go about the prompt. And you can see I said video coming soon, and this is a video on how to use the prompt to get optimal result. By the way, you want to work with me, you can just click this place here, just click copy. The moment you click make a copy, you have your own, right? Everything, then you cannot edit it. But stop going here and asking me to give you access, because if I give you access, you might go and delete it and all that, right? So that is how to go about that. Now let's go into the prompt. First thing first, custom one-click business website creation prompt for Systeme.io integration, right? With either ChatGPT, Claude, and DeepSeek. Now with this prompt, right, the AI you are going to be using will have all the information they need so that they can create a functional website for you. Now, it can be a landing page. It mustn't be a website alone. You can choose to create a website or you can create a landing page. It does not even matter. But the information are already here for you. So what you want to do, you want to start copying from this place right here where I say start here. So you start copying from there. You copy everything here, right, to ChatGPT. But before you copy everything into ChatGPT or Claude AI, you need to fill the following information. Now, the first thing is the business detail. What is the business detail? Now, what is your name of your business? You can put your business name right here, right? Choose your industry. Maybe you are into coaching, e-commerce, education, like I am, health, wellness, etc. Just delete everything here and just put what industry you are in. Then put a brief description of what your business is. Make sure this is short, right? 2 to 3 lines is okay. Don't put a lot of information about it, about your business description. Very short and precise. Then get your target audience, right? The customers that you are serving, who are they? What is their demography? What is their pain point? And what is their need? This is very important. This is the secret of creating a landing page that actually converts, because you are speaking to the need of people who actually you are about to serve. So this target audience is so important. Now we have geographic market, right? What is your region? Are you serving everybody, or you just have a particular location that you are serving? Put the location there. Go for your branding. What are your colors? I use navy blue and orange, also, and green. So you can choose what your colors are. Go down, put your slogan if you have any, then put your contact email, phone number, anything you want people to be able to reach out to you with. You can just put it under this contact here. Then social media, here you can place all your handles that you are going to use on the website or on the landing page. That is stage number 1. Now, listen to me, please. You need to understand that this is the only thing you need to do. You are not going to do this like every single time. So take your time, put it out there. It's better than actually going to be dragging and dropping and be doing all those stuff that you are creating designs. This stuff, put it here once and for all. For most of you, you already have this information already. So it's a matter of copying and pasting it right here for you to get the optimal result. So website goal, this is crucial, right? Select all that applies to you. Do you want leads or you want inquiry? What do you want people to do? What is your website goal? You want to have lead generation? kind of website where people fill their information, you get their contact, or you just want people to know about your services in your area so that they can call you, just signify. Do you want to sell products? Are you just sharing information just for educational purposes? Are you trying to build credibility or authority? Why I have this stuff here is this will help the AI to be able to pinpoint the way he's going to communicate, the kind of language to use, right? The kind of persuasive copy to write inside of the website for you. That's why we are doing this. Then we will go to website structure, which is the next one. Now, website structure, this is crucial. What do you want to have? You just want to have a landing page. If it's a landing page without all this stuff, you need to indicate it here, right? If it's a complete website with other pages, you also need to indicate it here. So you just help the AI understand what you are doing. So you are going to select, oh, you want a banner, you want about us section, you want a service page, you want a testimonial, FAQ, you want a contact us form on the website. You also let the AI know that you want all these things, right? Select all the things that applies to you. You want some additional page. Let's say, since it's a website, you want additional page. You want about us page, service page, product page, or pricing, a separate page. You can fill in this information and the AI is going to get it done well for you. Guys, I've tested this stuff. I worked it over and over before I got this particular prompt that I'm using right now. So try it and it will work for you and give me feedback. Then the next part is product service details, right? So please, you have to list like 3 to 6 main offerings with the following details. I don't know what your services are. That is why we'll have a challenge. At the end of this video, I'm going to share a challenge and I will also help you create your own website on a particular video, but you have to go through the challenge for you to be the person that I'm going to select. So put this information. What is your product name? Put the information, description of the product, the price, right? The key benefits. You see, everything is well listed out. This is a detailed information that we are talking about here. Literally, this is thousands of dollars I'm giving out for free. You will not see this. This is what you get in a full-time course of $1,000 to $5,000 because this here is everything you need to start your own online business. Now, you can repeat this same step number 1 for all the products you have. If you have 3 different products or 3 different services or 3 different offers, you can keep repeating this part here again. Then we'll go to this part where we have website features, right? You need to put all the aspects of the website that you want to have, right? Shopping cart functionality. Do you want shopping cart functionality like the way I have on my own website? Do you want appointment booking system, email sign up, testimonials, all these things? You need to let us know what you want. Contact us form, put all the stuff and the AI will get it done. Then we have content element, right? In the about us section, do you have something? This is detailed, but guess what? If you are just blank, let's say you don't even have all this information, you can leave it. The AI is going to put all this information for you, right? So if you have a unique selling proposition, which I advise everybody must have one, what makes your business different from other people, you can use ChatGPT to get that, then input it here. You have testimonials, you can put them there. You have your call to action phrase that you like to use. Is it book your free consultation today? Whatever it is that you like to use, you can put it right here. This is very, very customized. The moment you put all these things here, you will not get a generic website. You will have a website that is tailored to you 100%. Then we have technical requirements, right? You want the website to be responsive, of course. Compatibility with Systeme.io integration. Yep. No external library except for available in Systeme.io. So all these things, why I'm putting all these things is so that you don't go and create a ChatGPT website that when you put it inside Systeme.io, it's not compatible, right? You discover that it's not working for you. But we want this code that will be generated by AI to be compatible with Systeme.io, so that we can get to host our website for free. The only thing we will need is to just have our own domain name, and that is fine. You don't need to host, you don't need to pay for hosting. Everything will be free. That is why I have the link below. Go click it, use it to sign up, and I'll keep giving you goodies and use it for free. When you start getting results, you can choose to upgrade and start paying for their monthly plan, which is going to give you a lot more benefits. Then finally, you have the special instruction. Under special instruction, right, we want to give it any requirement or references that was not covered above. Like, I don't know what your business is. Your business might require something that all the things that I took note of, they are not part of it. You can just put them here, right? Maybe you want specific design, you want specific elements included. There are certain things, maybe you have a particular website that you want to even copy, right? That you even want to model. You can put the link to the website here. The magic all lies here. A very simple prompt, just 4 lines. This is the prompt. And the prompt reads, based on the information provided, please create a complete professional website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Listen, this thing here is very important. It has to be HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Because anything outside of this, you will have problem with Systeme.i, right? So we are making sure that everything is done properly so that I can embed directly in Systeme.i raw HTML. If you watch my video about the most important tool in Systeme.i is the custom code, and raw HTML is one of the most important aspects of the Systeme.i tool. So we are targeting all our code to go into raw HTML components or elements of Systeme.i. The code should be well commented, showing where I can update specific content elements in the future. All the functionalities should work without needing to leave the page unless specifically designed to link to Systeme.io's native feature. So everything here is custom to Systeme.io. So the I is going to write script, the code, the program that will create a website for us for free, and we copy. Boom. So you start copying from the top until you get to this place, right? After editing, you copy everything, you take it to ChatGPT and paste, and you will see wonders. ChatGPT is going to literally create this website for you. You can use Claude, right, to do the same thing, and it will create your website. If you want a landing page, you can also do the same. But by the way, if you are interested in seeing how I customize landing page a little bit different than this, if you are interested in that, let me know, right? So that I can basically do a video on that and also share the code for that. I'm going to leave this code right on the description box. But before we do that, let me talk about the challenge that I have for you guys. All right, so the challenge here is this. First thing first, I need everybody watching this video right now, go like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment. When you comment your industry, right? Comment what industry you are operating in. Let me know your industry and your business. Then I'm going to select and make a video building a website that is tailored to your industry and to your business. And after that, I will share the code with you so that you can just go and implement and have a free website. How cool is that? But make sure that if you are signing on to Systeme.i, you are signing up with my link, right? If you have an agreement with me, I have an agreement with you, then let's get it done. All right, guys, if you are wondering about how this thing works, go and watch this particular video where I even explain the website that I created using this Systeme.i. And that particular website was not even with this prompt. That was just with a very simple prompt. But right now, this particular prompt is a killer prompt. I will do another video showing you the powers of this particular prompt, because this video is going to be serious. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Go watch that video and catch you in the next one.